Did we decide who's introducing us?
No.
You should,
Oh,
because
okay.
Yeah, you should.
Hi, I'm Jaden with the OSC, and we're opening a gift from NASA, Kennedy Space Center. Who am I with today? Aaliyah.
You're great, babes.
Sean.
Ava.
Oh yeah.
All right, do you guys
Michael.
you guys want to start over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do- let's
Sean
do
isn't
the
allowed to
small
have
box
the.
first.
Why?
You're not
You
allowed to
know-
have scissors.
Let's do the small box first.
I don't.
I threatened to kill someone
Big
one.
one.
Okay, let's not say that on camera.
Okay, put that on the floor. Thanks, Michael.
Technically, it was way more than one.
Because I feel like the big box is
That's
gonna
gonna
be
be fun to listen to later.
Okay, I'm excited, guys. They're really heavy. They look. Ava doesn't care.
Why?
She's
I can
gonna
rip
use her
it.
hands.
I don't care anymore.
I don't care anymore. I can't believe there's not a
Just
video.
murdered.
It's notebooks.
Notebooks. Why
might
was
get
it
a new
so
sketchbook.
heavy?
There's like a dozen of them in there.
Sketchbook?
Okay, wait.
A NASA sketchbook?
Mike. Okay, what
does
does
it
this
say?
say?
Oh, is that
Press
That's just like-
shipping.
that's
This is
just
just
the
shipping
shipping.
stuff.
Yeah, blur
Okay.
that out.
Show the camera. Show the camera.
Okay. So we got a notebook. We got notebooks.
LSP.
Oh, that's
Launch Services Program.
That's what that is?
Yes, it literally says
Got
it on the
a
book.
inside cover. It's got paper in it.
They continue
And
like
then-
all the way too.
Did they? If we put them all together, does it solve the matrix?
It might.
Whoa, that's actually crazy.
Whoa.
So we all get
No
We all
notebook.
get a
How many are
notebook.
there?
Okay,
a lot. I don't want to count that. 'cause
Okay.
That's too much.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
18.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
You can't
Three
even
off.
22,
count.
23.
I didn't count. I just
23.
guessed. I guessed.
You were 5 off.
Loser.
Hey, can you
Okay,
pass the
next
big
bike.
box?
Big box. Big box time.
Let's go. Coming in.
Big box. Big box time. Beep
keeping
beep.
this.
Watch the scissors. Stab it.
Here, you can do the
Like
honors.
that.
Yeah.
Da-da-da.
Yeah. How do I do this?
Just rip it, or
You never
Can I
got-
just stab it?
No,
yeah.
You take the sides off. Oh,
Mike.
okay. You could
See,
take the sides off.
this is why. Alright.
Then you can take the sides.
Okay. I can't see. That's the problem. I'm 5'4", Michael. You're like 5 something. Open.
Oh my god. I'm not editing it.
Help. Actually help.
Would you like me to open it?
Yeah, someone else open it.
I can open it. Work for Tino for a year.
Does he deliver boxes?
Open it.
What the hell?
Ooh, what is
the heck?
this?
The heck?
Wait, let's.
Michael,
Or you can
move.
just rip.
Ribbit.
Yeah.
Okay. Shipping papers.
Oh, is this a letter?
Oh
There's
my
a
God,
letter! You just got a
should've opened
letter.
the big one
You just
first.
got a letter.
You want to read it?
Rocco, I hope the kids enjoy everything. I included a mini poster for our upcoming launch on June 25th for the classroom from Chris.
Look what we got.
Oh
Got
my.
bags?
Wait, there's
Yeah,
a lot in
bags.
there.
There's a box.
are a
Okay,
lot in
okay.
there.
There's bags.
Guys.
Many?
More owner. Everybody's grabbing in there.
I'm trying to get the bags out of the way.
I didn't grab anything.
I'm gonna take these.
I have this.
Throw it here.
My. Wait, show the
Strong.
camera. Show the
You
camera.
were-
Show the
you
camera. Show the camera.
Show the.
Show the camera.
We got some stuff.
You were worried about the pins. Look at all the pins we got.
We got lanyards.
We got calendar.
And then they gave us calendars. Oh yeah, that's cool.
Wait, there's a,
I like the smell of everything.
there's
Oh
a
my
pack.
God, look.
There's posters.
Do not hit anybody
No,
with
these
these.
are folders.
Oh,
No promises.
yeah.
These are the folders. We got folders.
Oh, this
Good,
is
because
the
I need a
little-
folder.
There's one big thing.
That's the poster they were talking about.
Wait,
Ow.
Sorry.
what's under it? What's that?
Look, it's the poster. It came with like a little stand.
What's this?
Oh.
Wait.
Here, I'll take it. Oh, there's more stickers.
I like stickers.
So this, okay, get the box out of here. Okay,
Is this a calendar?
so we got a pack of sticker sheets. There's 50 of these in here.
There's so much going on right now. I'm kind of
Yeah.
overstimulated.
Don't worry, I'm
And
not
then
gonna
they gave us pins. We were like trying to equally. Michael, put it down.
Showing the camera.
I already did, Michael.
I'm gonna hold up when you're talking.
I like how he's just barely in frame.
I know, and he's
this go on the
grabbing
board?
everything.
You just be our hand person. You have good hands.
Oh, and
like-
they gave us like little pin. We were so worried about the pins and equally distributing them to people who deserve them.
Oh, it is a calendar.
And what else?
Oh, that's so cool.
That's pretty. For
more
March. What's my birthday?
Oh, and
birth month.
these are the
Here's the
cute
one.
little NASA
Oh,
pins.
we got the
The ones
good
I
one.
wanted.
Oh,
that's
that's so
sick.
exciting.
I
It's
like
like
the
a
one for my
Christmas
mom.
gift.
Are these cards?
No, those are sticker packs.
Alright, let's
Oh
go.
my god.
Oh,
What's first?
They gave us like
stack
hundreds of
giants.
stickers.
Okay.
as they should.
Yeah, you were being greedy about them.
And it's nice. We got
Here.
the bags so we can like
Is it
put
just-
all the stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We gotta organize for everybody.
And then,
I know.
Can I see
Okay,
the
so
pins?
these are all the same.
yep.
And you
Here,
get a
where's
pin.
the-
And you get a pin. I really wanted this pin because it looks so cool.
Oh, those
It's a
ones are
pin
cool.
of the LSP
And here's the NASA one.
at NASA.
That one's so pretty.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna distribute these to us right now.
And should I provide background information? Nah. They what?
Henley
Okay.
Space Center, Florida.
Oh, that's true. So the LSP Launch Services Program is NASA's their their attempt to reach space through combining the forces of not only America but also other services outside corporations. So yeah, that's how we're getting to Mars, is by uniting all of us together instead of just working like
Nation for nation.
and like the Apollo mission where it was Russia versus the U.S. and whoever gets there first would be able to claim the moon. Instead, it's everyone against space.
And hope we can make it there
Yeah.
and not crash and burn in the process.
Whoa!
Hey,
Positivity, please.
Hey.
Hey, that's
Hey, the moon's fake anyway, so
the moon landing.
the moon landing is fake.
The moon landing was real.
Here you go.
I still can't believe you asked.
See
Who was it?
Now you
Hunter?
don't.
Yeah, good now. Hunter good now. Shout out to Hunter good now.
Sean,
Love
do you
him.
mind if
He
we take
asked
one
him-
of our stuff now?
He asked Hunter if
Okay.
the moon landing
Okay, was there anything that didn't get
that
shown?
was special.
Calendars. Did you show the calendars? Sean?
Yeah, no, I didn't show the all of it. I
Okay,
mean, it'll
okay.
be kind of annoying to go through every
Well,
single
Yeah,
one.
just like
Yeah, just give like a.
But,
Open
so
to a
we
random
got,
page.
We got calendars. No,
What's the anyone know what the web is?
I do.
it's the telescope.
Can you say anything about it? Do you know anything about it?
It's cool and it takes really cool photos.
So
like
It can go into deep
that,
space, right?
Yes,
That
Whoa.
I
that's
can tell
really
you about
cool.
it. It's really
Dude, the one for my birth month is actually kind of
space-
sick.
Go to
Yeah.
mine.
So,
It's
the
a
James
way
Webb
more it's a way more powerful.
from the Hubble space.
It can go
That
into
one's
deep
mad.
space, right? Yeah.
The
My
James
birthday
Webb
is on
telescope
Tuesday this
was
year?
Damn.
was
Uranus.
Hey, mine's a Saturday.
Uranus.
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 Alright.
This one's the one for July, which is really cool.
But yeah,
July
the
is
James
sick.
the James Hubble
Nuh-uh.
spacecraft was what's it called? They started. Can I
Yeah,
see
Todd.
Go to
February?
Shanta's birth month.
November.
Okay.
Last year, and
Oh, the
its
Saturn one is so
mission
cool.
is
Ooh,
to
the
take
October
more
one is
photos
sick. The October
and go
one is
further than the
really
Hubble.
cool.
So a lot of
that's
these pictures
sick.
you can find on their website, and they're obviously free.
It's okay.
so-
They also
I
do
didn't
the
say it for
daily
you
ones,
guys.
which I love.
Yeah.
November is sick too. That's yours.
Okay.
So
We're
guys,
gonna-
did we decide who's editing this video?
I am.
Oh, okay. Are these actually folders?
I believe so.
Oh my gosh, I can put my Haney's work in there now.
Smells
Look at my
good, too.
look at my folder. Hold on. I can real
You guys have to like really set yourselves apart with that NASA
So-
folder and your
Oh, yeah.
NASA
LSP.
plan or notebook with your NASA.
NASA lanyard.
Yeah. It's like, oh, how'd you get all this NASA stuff?
I work there.
Well, we did some stuff in NASA.
I work there.
I work there.
And you can put it all in your NASA bag.
I know.
look
And
at
it-
my-
And they're like nice too.
Oh my
like,
god.
Please get
This
a
is
remote.
my folder.
We have an LSP.
like
Can
they
you
feel nice. It's not.
These are high.
Yeah.
That's why
they
it was so
are.
heavy. Can we get a?
I know.
LSP
Can I see the
folder.
stickers?
They're nice.
Yeah. I didn't get to see them.
Here you go. These are the
know.
NASA stickers. This is like they're not their logo, but they're
Launch services.
Trying to steal my
the other
bag
one.
from me.
This is
Alright.
Wait,
the
but
NASA
that's-
regular
that's
stickers.
that
letters.
One, the worm, I think they call it the worm logo. That's their current logo that they use. And then the other one,
Is there a one?
the other one, nope, that's the launch services program.
No, they have the other sticker back.
The
Oh, she has the other.
That one is
NASA
they. Nope, that's Launch Services Program.
you
The
didn't open
the
this
other
one.
The other one.
This one?
That's like the
That one.
original.
The one that I was already holding up?
They call that logo the meatball, and that's not
Meatball.
actually their current
I want a meatball right now.
Their
Meatball sounds
meatball logo is
good.
what they call it. Launch Services Program. Yeah, super cool.
You were being so greedy about the stickers.
Again, trying to get as much stuff for you guys.
Okay.
Doesn't look like it's for us.
We have one more thing to open. I'm not really sure what it is. It's mini stickers.
I love this.
Do Uranus?
Oh.
Uranus, Michael.
Uranus.
Sorry.
Uranus.
I
It's
can't-
stickers
good.
of it has the
Nebula.
meatball on it, and then it has all of the planets in the it may even have
That's
the
so
nebula on
cool.
there. Oh my god, they even have Pluto on there. Back in
Pluto-
my day, Pluto was a planet.
I say Pluto still is a planet in my
Yeah.
heart.
Pluto is a planet in my heart.
I'm just a sun. I like it,
They have a comment on there, and it's really cool.
Huh?
Nothing.
I
That
like
was a
it.
waste of us.
No, it wasn't.
Haven't seen it? And
Oh,
then
I'm
the
wearing
poster.
it.
A big bag of lanyards.
Michael.
That was ridiculously fast.
Do some-
You just wasted
do
your
some
stickers
do
for
some
that.
ASMR.
You're not getting any more.
You're welcome.
Can you hand me the poster as well?
I'm a solar system though.
This is for the OSC.
Did you already grab a lanyard?
Yeah, I have one on. Did you? Where did the thing go that was supposed to go on this to hang it, put it up?
It disappeared.
Oh, you're
Is it right here?
Yeah.
Disappeared. Did you rip it?
No.
Why, Michael?
No.
Why?
Did you rip it?
I'm the solar system.
No, really funny if you did.
I did.
Aw.
Really good. Are we supposed to send that to NASA?
No, you are. You're not in the background for all of it.
Oh, cool.
So thank you NASA for sending us all of this cool stuff.
Her name is.
It's exciting.
Chris. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Chris from Kennedy Space Center.
Thank
Thank
you, Chris.
you.
We really appreciate it, and we
I do.
appreciate our gifts.
Thank you. Overall.
Yay!
And thank you to everybody that decided to work with the high school
And with us.
and with us. It was a once in a lifetime opportunity we won't forget.